Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun, and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today's recipe is a quick, simple, easy, yet an absolutely protein-rich recipe, a lentil called Methi Dal, which of course uses a seasonal produce, fenugreek. Let's begin. Well, a couple of things that you actually need to note before beginning the recipe. One is you can make this recipe with any lentil. You can literally make this with masoor, chana, tur, a combination, moong, literally any lentil. I'm using tur dal, which is arhar ki dal or pigeon peas. All you need to do is boil it well with a little bit of turmeric, asafoetida, which is also known as hing, along with salt and water. You boil it, mash it, just whisk it and keep it aside. That's step number one. What you can do is you can also keep some fried onion ready. Well, I personally like the flavor of fried onion in this recipe, but today I'm giving that a skip. And third, you get the freshest possible fenugreek from the market. You pick it, wash it, chop it, keep it ready. On that note, let's begin with heating the pan on high flame. Let's begin with lots of ghee. Once that heats up, let's add in a couple of tempering spices, beginning with a cinnamon stick, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Along with that, whole red chili, of course, dried, and along with that, fresh onions. The Kashmiri red chili will, of course, start leaching out its color and flavor in the oil. And along with that, you'll notice that the onions also start turning golden brown in color. Time to add in crushed ginger, garlic, and green chilies. And saute this till the raw flavor goes away. Time to add in freshly cut tomatoes. Let's mix the tempering and time to add in the cooked lentils. Now, lentils, ladies and gentlemen, is a great carrier of not just proteins but also dietary fibers and potassium. Well, potassium helps in reducing the pressure on the heart, and that way, of course, keeps us hale and hearty. Well, that way, a bowl of dal, rice, curd, or buttermilk, or just a desi dal khichdi is just about perfect. We don't need anything fancy beyond all of that. Along with this, some water to adjust the thickness and the consistency. Time to now add in some extra spices. In this case, red chili powder and garam masala. And finally, a touch of salt. A quick stir. And once all of this is done and ready, time to add in freshly cut fenugreek leaves. Of course, the star of this recipe. Let's cook this well, precisely for another 2 to 3 minutes till the methi leaves or fenugreek leaves are perfectly cooked. Ensure this is not overcooked because the fenugreek leaves will quickly start discoloring. With this, ladies and gentlemen, a quick, simple, easy, nutritious Methi Dal is done and ready. Now, because this is a seasonal recipe, of course, you can lay your hands on fresh fenugreek and make this all through the year. In case you cannot lay your hands on fresh fenugreek, what you can do is sprinkle generously kasuri methi. On that note, this is me, Chef Varun, signing off. Bye for now.